YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video. Can't avoid losses. Losses are part of the game. It's just about how are you going to react to these losses. Are you going to lose discipline because of the losses? You know what I'm saying? It didn't work, man. It didn't work. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I was gonna cut my loss when this candle came underneath this low. When the market came around this area, it just shut down like crazy, man. Third coffee, man. Doesn't really matter to me, you know what I'm saying? But we can keep on working regardless. As long as my legs work and as long as my hands work and I can carry myself around, I'm good, you know what I'm saying? Good morning, y'all. Good morning. Today is Tuesday and it's currently about 4:10 a.m. in the morning. I'm not sure, around there. But the reason why I'm out here right now outside is because, as you know, every single time that I'm done trading, I go outside for a quick run. Today we're gonna be doing a 20-minute run because I do have to get ready to go to work before 5. So you know what I'm saying? I can't do the 30-minute run that we normally do. But anyways, man, today we took a loss. We took a loss in the market. We got a full hit, and you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. Losses are part of the game. You can't avoid losses. Losses are part of the game. It's just about how are you going to react to these losses. Are you going to lose discipline because of the losses? You know what I'm saying? And we didn't. We're still disciplined. We took one single trade. We call it a day. Simple as that. But yeah, man, I'm gonna finish this quick run right now. I'm gonna finish it, and then I'm gonna go back inside and I'm gonna explain to you guys the trade that we took today. Hopefully you guys can learn from it. But yeah, man, without further ado, let's get this 20-minute run, man. All right, man, so that was the end of the quick run right there. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. It was cold, now it's hot. But anyways, man, let's go back inside. I'm gonna show you guys the trade and I'm gonna explain to you guys the reason why I took it. Like I said, hopefully you guys can learn something from it. So yeah, man, let's go inside. All right, man, so as you know, every single trade that I take, I put it on IG. So if you haven't followed me there on IG, go follow me there, man. I put the trades there before I even upload it to YouTube every single time, man. But if you haven't seen the trade yet, this is the trade that we took, man. All right, man, so as you guys can see, we did take a loss, as y'all can see. But let me go over this trade real quick so y'all can understand why I was taking this trade. But before I do that, let me put the replay button so we can go step by step, you know what I'm saying? So the first thing that I did was I was looking at the 4 hour. What's the 4 hour doing in the market? And I see that we have a demand right there. We have a 4 hour demand right here. And even though the price action is kind of choppy right now, and there's no it's kind of like a consolidation going on right now, I'm still gonna mark my 4 hour demand here because we can have some sort of reaction. It doesn't mean that it's gonna go all the way up from there. It just means that we're gonna have some sort of reaction. Like for example, right here, we're coming down, we touched the 4 hour demand and we had some sort of reaction. It didn't go all the way up, but it did a reaction, you know what I'm saying? So that was on the 4 hour, and then I went to the 1 hour to see what else was there to look at. And honestly, I was also looking at this supply right here that we had on the 1 hour. It was respecting that. So this day was kind of confusing because we did have a demand down here on the 4 hour, and we also had a 1 hour supply that was being respected. And at the same time, I was looking at this. I was looking that we were making we were making support on the 1 hour as well. So like I said, this candle right here was not here yet when I came into the market. This candle right there was not there. What I was looking at this when I first came into the market. So I see that we have support down here. I mean, not support. We have a 4 hour demand, and we're also making support on the 1 hour. So because of this, I was focusing on taking buys, and I wasn't expecting the market to go crazy towards the upside. I was just expecting some sort of reaction at that level, man. So that's exactly what we did when we came into. And then I went to the 5 minute because, as you know, my entries are in the 5 minute. So let me go there real quick. Okay, so I see that we're making support in the 1 hour here, and I also see that we're making support in the 5 minute as well. So you see this support that was being made here on the 5 minute as well. And we also took liquidity from this low, so that was we're making support, and we're taking liquidity, and we have a 4 hour demand at the bottom, and we're also making support in the 1 hour. So like I said, I was not expecting this to go crazy towards the upside. I was just expecting a reaction towards the upside to at least 1-to-1. My target was 1-to-1, and the reason why that was my target is because the 13 SMA was right there, and the market loves to react the 13. So I was just expecting the market to come down here and to go at least up to the 13 SMA. That was it. I was not looking for anything else. And as you can see, it took liquidity from this low, it made support, and then this candle right here, we entered on the break of this red candle. So this green candle, when this green candle broke above the red candle right here, that is when we got in. And as you can see, it didn't work, man. It didn't work. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, I was gonna cut my loss when this candle came underneath this low. I was gonna cut it, but yo, when the market came around this area, it just shut down like crazy, man. So we ended up having I ended up cutting around here, you know what I'm saying? So it was basically a full hit, and that's the reason why we have right here we have a $286 loss, man. So that was the trade for today, man. As y'all know, we're not losing discipline. We're being disciplined regardless of the losses. We can't avoid losses. Losses are part of the game. Even though this loss could have been cut, it would have been a better loss if we ended up cutting the trade right there. But we ended up getting a full hit regardless, man. So it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? I didn't lose discipline. I only took one single trade. We call it a day, and that is our plan, man. So yeah, man, without further ado, I'm gonna let the video continue. $450. Let's go to work, man. All right, man, we have now made it back to work. As y'all can see, this is my second coffee right now. Yesterday it was a whole bunch of snow here. Now there's absolutely no snow. It's crazy how things can change from one day to another. But anyways, man, let's get to work. We got a long day ahead of us. Third coffee, man. Look at this, man. All right, man, so we have now made it back to my hometown, and it's currently 5:40 right now, and I have to go to sleep at 7. I still gotta go home, edit the video, upload it to YouTube. And right now I'm looking for some food, because since I have not had food yet, well, I did eat, but it was early today, and now I'm hungry again. So I'm trying to go get something light, not too heavy, you know what I'm saying, like an empanadas. So we're finna go get some empanadas right now, and then I'm gonna go home, edit the video, upload it to YouTube. And tomorrow, man, I have to wake up early again, man. You know what I'm saying? These past days I have not been getting sleep like I need to. I have not been getting the sleep that I need to, because the guy that is training us, the guy that's teaching us how to do the new material that we have, he wants to make sure that we get everything, you know what I'm saying, so we don't get it wrong, so we understand what we're doing, because he's only here. Today was his last day, so we were staying a little bit later than normal, just to make sure that we were getting the, you know what I'm saying, we were getting the information and everything that we need to know when it comes to installing that new material, man. And honestly, man, I don't know, we got it down, but you know what I'm saying, he wants to make sure and everything, so we were staying a little bit later than usual. So that's the reason, man. But tomorrow is going to be a regular schedule. Tomorrow we're gonna be sleeping normal again, because bro, I have not been getting the sleep that I need, man. I've been, you know what I'm saying, editing this video and going to sleep late and waking up early. Is just, you know what I'm saying, I've been trying to keep it together with coffee, you know what I'm saying, and I'm overdosing myself with coffee by even then, man. It's hard to keep it together, but it is what it is, man. It just is only a temporary thing, so it doesn't really matter to me, you know what I'm saying. We can keep on working regardless. As long as my legs work and as long as my hands work and I can carry myself around, I'm good, you know what I'm saying? But right now I'm about to go get some food, empanadas, something light to, you know what I'm saying, so I can go to sleep not hungry. And yeah, man, I'm gonna see you guys most likely when I'm back at the crib. He wasn't lying, y'all. We are back at the crib now, and all I want to say now is that this video basically comes to an end, bro. All I'm doing right now is just editing this video to upload it to YouTube, and I ain't gonna lie today to y'all, man. Today was a long day for me. But you know what I'm saying, we got it done regardless. So I'm really trying to go to sleep right now. I'm trying to upload this video so I can go to sleep right now. But anyways, man, I just want to say that y'all stay safe, y'all stay productive, y'all stay healthy, get better 1% every single day, man. Y'all do all those things, you know what I'm saying? Y'all take care of yourselves, you know what I'm saying? Do all of those things. And yeah, man, without further ado, this video is now over.